So I've been documenting my life for, I don't know, probably since I was 12 in various ways. It started on this website called dopetracks.com. That's where I made music. And me and my friends would just connect this little SingStar microphone onto this online site and we would make music. So I think that's the first record I have online of me documenting. I don't through the years I've been really good at throwing stuff away, so I don't know if there's anything beyond that. But I've right now I have a whole stack of journals that I've kept since I'm 26 and it's 2023. So since I was 20, these journals go back to 2017. And just today I looked at some of the dates that are the same as today just to see where I was this time couple years ago or even 7 years or 6 years ago. And man, it's refreshing to go back and just to see where you were and to see how far you've come. And I think it's important to document your journey because I think it gives you a, a healthier perspective of where you are today. Because what we tend to do is we compare where we are today with where other people are in their lives right now. And the reality is, we're all on different journeys. We're all in different spaces and places. And so, the only person we should be comparing ourselves to truly is our past selves, where we were 7 years ago, 6 years ago, over 10 years ago. I think that's the only person we should be comparing ourselves to, the old version of ourselves. So I'm happy that I'm clearly healthier. I'm clearly happier. I'm clearly progressing. I've come a long way, and it's important for me to keep documenting myself on YouTube, on these social media platforms, on my journal. I try to do it digitally and physically because I need to have some time just to write with a pen. Just all these different ways, just to see growth. Because I could my brain can play tricks on me. My mind can play tricks on me and have me thinking things about myself that are not true. So journaling and documenting my life as much as I can help me be grounded in reality and truth. And it's been a really helpful thing for me to do. So maybe you can consider it if you don't already do it. Writing alone has just been so powerful for me recently. I've been writing in the mornings, and it's just really helping me to construct my thoughts, my ideas, and to better articulate myself. Because I read a lot. I've been reading for years, over a decade of consistent reading. But writing has been something that I kind of trickle with, and I've been writing since before I was reading consistently. I started writing when I was about 12, but I never was really as consistent with writing as I have been with reading. I've been reading way more than I've been writing, if that makes sense. So recently, I've been trying to up the ante of my writing, and that's just been beautiful. I'm writing everything. I'm writing prayers. I'm writing music. I'm writing poetry. I'm writing video ideas. I'm writing posts for Facebook and Instagram and all these different platforms. And I'm trying to be intentional about being careful with my wording based on whatever platform I am on, or considering my audience based on whatever platform I'm on. So, man, and like as I'm saying all that, I can feel my brain just because that's where my brain's been. Over the last couple of days, I've been dealing with a migraine, and I think that's partly why I've been dealing with a migraine. I think it started because of some dietary decisions I made on a particular day, but I think it's progressing because my mind has just been racing in the best way possible. I've been eagerly using my mind, eagerly creating, eagerly reflecting, eagerly thinking about life, and just trying to help others with what I'm thinking, the ideas that I have, and at the same time, help myself. It's okay to just help yourself. I mean, because when you help yourself, you're helping everybody else, especially as you're in relationship with other people. So, yeah, go in solitude, enjoy the solitude, cultivate yourself within solitude, and then go in community and bring your healthiest self within community. But also get away when you need some time away from community, when you need some time to just be with yourself and your own thoughts. It's okay to do that. You need a balance. We need both. We are relational creatures. We need a relationship with ourselves. We also need a relationship with others. And I think the best way to have a healthy relationship with yourself is to document yourself and have an accurate understanding of your progress and who you are and have hope for where you're going. I cannot wait to see what my life will look like a year from now. And I get to document the days and be more mindful about what I'm saying and what I'm thinking so that next year I can have an accurate depiction of my progress. That's all I have for you today. I pray blessings over your journey. I pray blessings over your documentation of your life. May you take your life seriously. May you take uh, your journey seriously and not just think that the journeys of others is more admirable or more important than your journey. Your journey is important too. And wherever you are, I hope that you can be exactly where you are. As Anne Lamott says, I hope that you can be where your feet are planted because sometimes we don't want to be where our feet are planted. We want to be somewhere else. So I hope that today you can be where your feet are planted. And with hindsight and with hope, you can envision a better place for your feet to be. Assuming that where you are is not where you want to be. But if you are where you want to be, just be there. I'm talking too much. Bye.